what's up? Welcome to a new episode in Oindrila's Epistemology. In this episode, we are going to be talking about niacinamide. Now, I'm sure most of you have heard niacinamide as an ingredient in several skincare products. And after vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, if there is any ingredient that has taken over the markets, it is niacinamide. Now, if you too have questions like what is niacinamide, how to use niacinamide enriched products, what are the benefits of niacinamide, and what are the adverse effects of niacinamide, well, this video is just for you guys. Niacinamide, also called as nicotinamide, is a water-soluble essential vitamin that is not produced by our body, and hence to gain the benefit of this vitamin you have to either consume it orally or you can also use it in skincare products. Niacinamide helps in the production of keratin and hence keeps your skin firm and healthy. Niacinamide helps to build lipid barriers, as a result of which your moisture is retained into your skin. It actually helps reverse the adverse effects of UV rays on your skin. So if you have uneven skin tone, it helps you with the same. It has anti-inflammatory properties, as a result of which if you have acne, pimples, inflammation of any sort, it helps you remove the redness. It also helps you actually to control the sebum generation. So it is not only for dry skin, it can be used by oily skin as well. Another widely used case of niacinamide is actually hyperpigmentation. So if you face the problem of hyperpigmentation, it actually helps to get into the layers of skin, and hence in a few weeks of utilization you can actually see that your skin has got this even tone and the hyperpigmentation becomes lighter. It helps prevent premature aging and also helps with the fine lines and wrinkles. Now let's come to the adverse effects of niacinamide. Now niacinamide concentration is something you should keep in mind. Anything between the range of 1% to 10% is safe to use. However, above 10% is not recommended. Niacinamide usually does not cause any allergic reactions, or never have we come across those complaints where people actually say that it has increased their acne or increased the flakiness of their skin, made their skin dry, or so on and so forth. Unless and until you already have a pre-existing allergy. In that case, please do not use niacinamide. Niacinamides are usually seen as a skincare ingredient in serums because serums usually easily penetrate into your different layers of skin, and hence the effect of niacinamide goes deep within. Niacinamide can be used in serums in the day as well as in the evening. You can use it daily, and results usually take a bottle or two to show results, but results are definitely visible. Like 95% of the people who use niacinamide have said that they have seen their skin go healthy, the problems that they are trying to target actually diminishing. A few of my favorite serums which are available in the market, the first and foremost is the one by Ordinary. However, in India, to get a hold of this serum is a little hard. So luckily, the Indian market has a few very well-known and loved by all niacinamide serums, like the one by Minimalist. As a matter of fact, I am using the 10% concentration with zinc at the moment. If you are someone who has oily or combination or normal skin, you can use the 10% concentration one. However, if you have sensitive, dry or super dry skin, you should use the 5% concentration. Apart from that, the one by Dr. Seth's is also very good. And another one which has actually a very good review is the one by Dermaco. I hope I could give you a few insights about niacinamide. I know how intimidating it might be to actually hunt for skincare products and just see, all these chemicals which you have never heard about. So I hope this video could actually convey you, or rather give you an idea about niacinamide. So next time you see a skincare product with niacinamide, you have in your head what are the benefits, what are the adverse effects, what does it do, how to utilize, and so on and so forth. I hope you found this video useful. In the next video, I am definitely going to be reviewing the niacinamide serum by Minimalist. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Plush Maquillage. Until next time, plushes, loads of love. Bye.